Bonjour.
Bonjour. Bonjour, madame.
Comment
Bonjour,
allez-vous?
madame. Ça va bien, merci.
D'accord, d'accord. Très bien.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour.
Bonjour, madame. Comment
Ça va?
allez-vous? Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, dear.
Bonjour, madame. Comment ça va?
Ça va. You can't use comment ça va to elders. To ask your teachers and elders how are you, you have to use comment allez-vous.
Comment allez-vous?
We. Okay, so in the last class we completed lesson 1, right? Lesson 1 exercises we completed, and I gave you the notes also. 2 weeks before I sent you the notes to complete part 1 and part 2 notes I gave you. I hope everyone completed the notes. I will be checking your notes, okay? After some time I will be checking your notes. You can keep your notebook also near to you. Now, Diya, I will check later, Diya. Okay. Now we will be starting with lesson 0. Going to start new chapter, lesson 0. Those who have textbook, take your textbook, page number 8. Page number 8. Page with. Page with. Page number 8. Lesson 0. Lesson 0. Qu'est-ce que c'est lesson 0?
Page number.
Page number 8. Page with. Page number 8. Qu'est-ce que c'est lesson 0? Lesson 0.
Zero.
We lesson 0. Lesson 0 is lesson 0 and the heading is
Bienvenue and friends.
Bienvenue en France. Bienvenue en France. What is the meaning bienvenue en France? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Bienvenue en France. Qu'est-ce que c'est? The meaning. What is the meaning? Anyone?
Ma'am, I know one word.
Oui.
Welcome to France.
Welcome to France. Oui. Bienvenue en France means welcome to France. Welcome to France. Here, Dido is welcoming you all to know more about France. He is welcoming you to France. Let's see what all things are there in France. And now, in the next page, page number 9, page 9. Page 9, page number 9. You can see here the map of France. What is this? Map of France. And here they have marked 4 major cities in France. They have shown you 4 major cities in France. So, before that, all of you keep your cameras on. Keep your camera on. Devna, Advaid, Durga Praveen, please keep your camera on. Ashwal, keep your background normal. Janita, keep your camera on. Joachim. So, here they have marked 4 major cities in France. First one is Paris. First major city in France is Paris. How will you pronounce it? Paris. Qu'est-ce que c'est Paris? Qu'est-ce que c'est Paris?
Paris.
What is that Paris? Paris means?
Paris.
Paris. Paris is Paris. That is Paris. And in Paris, you can see there is a beautiful structure in Paris. Name of that structure is Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower, Le Tour Eiffel. And one more thing, there is a beautiful river which passes through Paris. Name of that river which passes through Paris is Seine. You can write in your textbook if you want river name. River name. It is not given in the textbook. You can write there. Seine. That's a river name. With your pencil you write river name. Seine. Write with your pencil, all of you, in your textbook. Seine. That is the name of a beautiful river which passes through Paris. So, Paris is the capital city of France, and there we have the beautiful and the tallest structure, Le Tour Eiffel, which means the Eiffel Tower, and there is a beautiful river which passes through Paris. Name of that river is Seine. Name of that river which passes through Paris is Seine. Seine. D'accord?
The page number.
Page number 9. Page number 9. And the second city is Lyon. How will you pronounce it? Lyon. You getting any resemblance with any other word that we learned?
Yes.
Which one?
That was
Lion. Oui, lion. Lion is also having the same pronunciation. Oui, lion is also having the same pronunciation, and we will pronounce this as Lyon. Lyon. Oui, Lyon. Lyon is another major city from France. Then next one is Marseille. Marseille is the next one.
Marseille.
Oui, Marseille.
And this word is
Marseille. And Heaven, stop putting stickers in the screen, Heaven. And listen and concentrate in the class. Marseille is the third major city. Then fourth one is Bordeaux. Bordeaux. And Bordeaux is the wine city. Bordeaux is the wine city. Bordeaux is famous for wines. In France, France is famous for wines also. France is famous for wines as well, and Bordeaux is the wine city. Bordeaux.
What we say in French? Wine.
Vin. Vin. Oui. So Bordeaux is the wine city. Now let's repeat. Repeat after me the names of the four cities. Paris. Paris.
Bordeaux.
Lyon. Marseille. Bordeaux. Paris. Lyon. Marseille. Bordeaux. Paris. Lyon. Marseille. Bordeaux. D'accord. All of you mute now. Aldrin, David, unmute and read the names of these four cities.
This one. Paris.
Mm.
Lyon. Bordeaux.
Marseille. D'accord. Très bien. Joda, read.
Paris, Lyon, Marseille, Bordeaux.
Très bien. Joda. Dia, Jibu, read.
Ma'am, your videos off. Paris.
It is not It is not Paris. It is Paris.
Paris.
Oui.
Lyon. Marseille. Bordeaux.
Très bien. Ensuite, Abdul Nehan. Read dear. Sarah.
Paris. Lyon.
Then Marseille. Bordeaux. D'accord, très bien. Sarah, keep your camera on. Sarah, Abu, Abdul Hadi, Rishikesh, keep your cameras on. Okay, Sarah, now you read.
Paris, Lyon,
Lyon,
Marseille, Bordeaux,
Bordeaux. Ryan, read. Ryan.
Paris, Lyon,
Hmm?
Marseille,
Bordeaux. Abdul Hadi, read.
Paris,
No, not in French, not in English, in French. Read in French.
Paris,
We,
Lyon,
not Lyon, N will be
Leo.
silent. Lyon,
Leo.
we. Then Marseille, not Marseille. Ra sound. Marseille.
Marseille,
Bordeaux.
Bordeaux,
Read again.
Paris, Lyon,
Marseille.
Marseille, Bordeaux.
Bordeaux. D'accord. Ryan, keep your camera on, Ryan. Joachim, read.
Paris, Lyon,
Abdul Hadi, keep your camera on. Marseille.
Marseille,
Read again.
Marseille,
From the beginning, read all the 4 cities again.
Paris, Lyon,
Marseille.
Bordeaux.
D'accord. Rishikesh, read.
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
Leo,
First one is Paris.
Lyon, Marseille,
Repeat after me, dear. Paris, Lyon, Marseille, Bordeaux. Paris, Lyon, Bordeaux, Marseille, D'accord. Bordeaux. Okay, now next, all of you see here, we have, what is this? What is this I have marked here now? That is a
Flag.
that is a French flag, right? That is a French flag. And for the French flag, we will call drapeau français. Drapeau français. Drapeau français.
mark like that.
If you want, you can write like this. This one is there in the last page here. I will show that. Please mute everyone. See here. Here it is given drapeau français. In the meaning column it is there. French flag. Drapeau français. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. Where is
That page is in page number 13. Page number 13. Otherwise, you can write here as well. In this page also you can write, no problem. Devna, Binish, Janita, Hadi, please keep your cameras on.
They will tell.
Drapeau français. All of you repeat after me. Drapeau français. Okay. Now all of you repeat after me. Drapeau français. And in the French, drapeau français is the French flag. Drapeau means flag and français means French. So in the French, drapeau means flag. Drapeau means flag and français means French. So drapeau français together meaning is French flag. And in the French flag and in this drapeau français we have 3 colors. The first one is bleu.
Blue, white,
Bleu.
and
Okay, listen to the pronunciation I am giving. First one is bleu. then blanc, then rouge. Bleu, blanc, rouge. What is bleu in French? What is bleu?
Blue.
Blue. Bleu is blue. Then blanc,
White.
white. Then rouge,
Red.
red. D'accord? Bleu, blanc, rouge. Blue, white and red. Now all of you repeat after me. Drapeau français. Adidev KB is straight. Joaquin is straight. Drapeau français. Adidev KB, repeat after me. Drapeau français. Bleu, blanc, rouge. Drapeau français. Bleu, blanc, rouge. Diya Jibu, repeat after me. Why are you taking those pages? Now we are in page number 9. Just take page number 9. Repeat after me, all of you. Seine. Seine. That is the name of the river which passes through Paris. The next one is Paris. Repeat, all of you. Paris. Adidev, what are you doing, Adidev? Why are you not repeating? Paris, Lyon, Marseille, Bordeaux, Drapeau français, bleu, blanc, rouge. Joachim, louder. Sienne, Paris, Lyon, Marseille, Bordeaux, Drapeau français, bleu, blanc, rouge. D'accord.
Then next one.
Wait. Aradhya, Dilesh, unmute and read from the beginning. All the words I have written on the board. All the words I have written on the board.
Paris,
Hmm?
Lyon,
Hmm?
Marseille,
Hmm?
Bordeaux,
Hmm? Then there is a beautiful river which passes through Paris. What is the name of that river? How will you read that? Seine.
Sienne,
Seine.
Sienne,
Then next one. This side, left side. How will we recall? What will we call for French flag? French flag. Drapeau français.
Drapeau français,
Drapeau français.
Drapeau français.
And then colors. Bleu.
Ma'am, Aradhya,
Bleu.
bleu,
Then blanc.
blanc,
Rouge.
rouge.
D'accord. Aradhya, please practice more. Ashwin, read.
Yes. Sienne, Sienne, Paris, Lyon, Bordeaux, Marseille, Drapeau français, bleu, blanc, rouge.
Très bien. Ashwin, Paul,
Yes, ma'am.
read.
Paris,
No, not Paris. Paris.
Paris,
Hmm?
Lyon,
Hmm?
Mars,
Marseille,
Marseille, Bordeaux,
Drapeau français.
Drapeau français,
Hmm?
Blanc,
Hmm? Blanc.
Blanc,
Hmm? Rouge.
Rouge.
D'accord, d'accord. Now all of you take your rough book. All of you take your rough book and you have to write and study the names of 4 cities.
Ma'am, take.
You have to write and study the names of the 4 cities in French. Names of the 4 cities.
Okay, ma'am.
Take your rough book and write and study. Meanwhile, I will be checking your French notes as well. So write and write. Everyone, you can write and study the words, new words that we are going to learn, that we learned in this chapter. And according to the attendance order, I will be calling your name and will check your notebook as well. So you can keep your notebook also near to you. French notebook.
Ma'am, I not have notebook and textbook. Ma'am, I don't have French notebook.
French notebook, I told about French notebook earlier itself, before months, and it's been more than 3 weeks since I gave you the second part of the notes. Okay, now I will be checking your notes. French notebook. I will call according to the roll number wise, and you can tell me whatever you want to say at that time.
Ma'am, study.
Okay, okay. The audio of these files I will be sending in the WhatsApp group, and those who haven't complete this, those who haven't write and study this, complete and show me. Okay? The next class, write and study the words and come. We'll see in the next week. Au revoir. Complete your notes. Complete your notes. Au revoir.
Wow.